All right, what's up, everybody? I'm out on my favorite bass lake. Got a few hours to fish. Set up on this little point right back here. Gonna drill some holes and catch some bass.
8 feet. All right. Here's how we do this. Grab myself a new sucker out of our bait cooler, which brand I have never made fun of before. Nice lively sucker. In my pocket. Hook him right about the dorsal fin, like that, so you can just kick around and be his little suckery self. I don't use any sort of weight at all. So the reason I don't use a split shot on that rig is because the minnow's swimming away and the bass is following it. It's not gonna like when the minnow's like, oh, I can't go anywhere. So you don't need a split shot. You don't use one on our other one, so you should be good. And it is about 8:15 in the morning, so things are about to be good. All right, so there's shore right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a point that comes out, and this is like the first break that I've set the tip up on. Cam's over there, setting another tip up. So I'm gonna drill more holes this way. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a grid. I'm gonna drill that way, and then I'm gonna take down a little bit, drill that way, and so on down there. And then we're just gonna hole hop around and catch some fish. So let's get it. This morning I'm starting off, it's hard to see, a little Mongo jig with a white coconut crab. Love this for crappies. And that's being fished on my tuned up custom bull whip with a 13 fishing freefall. Let's get her down there and start crushing them. That's always good when you don't have your drag tight and you set into a fish and it just goes zzz. There we go. Well, first fish of the day. Not exactly what I'm after. Small bluegill. But hey, we ain't getting skunked today, boys. There we go. Dang it. Oh. Don't take me, flag. Ah, that's for the video. All right, we got a flag. Look at her go. Oh, it's small. Real small. Oh my gosh!
What were you saying?
That is not small at all.
Hold that up.
Oh, look at that. That's a solid 2.5 pounder. Let me just board. We need to start bringing a scale out here. Yeah, just one sucker hooked through the back like that. Just keep this guy in the water. He did not fight at all. Make sure there's no ice in his mouth. All right, let's see what we got here. Swing the tail, 17.5.
Nice.
Right? Yeah, 17.5.
All right.
There we go. All right, got a nice probably 2.5 pound bass right away in the morning. Oh, he's pooping everywhere. Just gonna send him home. Boom! I didn't expect to get one that early, but he crunched the sucker. This was a lively one, so let's get this set up and get another one. Well, after that bit of excitement, back to pan fishing. Not gonna stay at this hole too long, but I'm just kind of hoping I get a crappie. So we got some crappies over here last time we were here, so I'm just kind of hoping that trend continues. There we go. That's what I'm sticking around for. Kim. Yeah. No coconut crab. That's what I'm sticking around for. A nice gill. Go home, buddy. I thought a pike came through, and probably did because they all disappeared, but then that guy just came up and chopped it. There we go. And they stay about the same size. Not bad though. Not bad for metro gills. Beat to hell though. Let's see if they'll go on the plastic. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm at this hole for. Yep. The one thing I wish about for fishing is that I had like tiny hands. Because my hands make everything look big, but that's, I mean, that's probably a 7-inch pumpkin seed. That's a good fish. Back he goes. There we go. Not a bass. I thought it was though. Just a nice bluegill. Real nice bluegill. I want to give it a shot. So just
close and reel. Got it?
Oh my goodness. I've never really used one of these. So I don't know if this is big.
Just reel.
Oh my gosh. Oh. It's just got a lot of weeds on it.
What the hell is it?
Where the hell is it hooked? Oh.
Alright.
Look at that weird. Huh. Well, I don't really think I like that. No. All right, well, I had to leave because I got to go to work, but pretty good day overall. The bite kind of slowed down and we whiffed on about 1,000 tip-ups, so that's kind of why the video ended so suddenly. But hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. That's it.